Hello, beautiful children. How are you all? Welcome back to Kids Learning. In this video, we will learn different names of animals, birds, and insects with Tangram pictures. So let's get started. So the first Tangram is bird. This one is cat. Next is goose. This one is duck. And this cute tangram is fish. This is a rabbit. And this cute tangram is butterfly. This is flamingo. And this one is dolphin. This cute tangram is horse. This is dog. And this is again bird. This tangram is of fox. And this beautiful is giraffe. And this is again fish. And it's also again rabbit. Please like my videos, subscribe my channel and share it to others. Goodbye.